Poor advice or a lack of understanding often leads to prospective buyers regarding solar panels as a negative asset when considering the purchase of a house. The Green Assist Solar Benefit Report can change this by providing a tailored report showing exactly how the system works and the potential benefits for future homeowners. To get a free and instant valuation opinion today, visit www.greenassist.co.uk on your computer, phone or tablet. To use the online application, enter your email address, when your system was installed, which can be an estimate if you're unsure, the size of your system, which can either be the number of panels or kilowatt peak power if you know it, the region that the system is installed, and the ownership type. You'll then get an instant valuation opinion, which will also be emailed to you for your reference. Would you like to progress this to a full benefit report, which can then be used to help sell your property? Simply click Progress to Full Report. If you haven't created an account before, you'll need to do so now. From here, enter your postcode and then drag the map to place the cursor over the roof where your solar system is located. Next, upload a photo of your MCS certificate, which will have been given to you by the installation company when the system was first installed. And finally, attach a photo of your generation meter. The generation meter is normally located close to your system's inverter and will be labelled. Note that you can save your progress and revisit your past reports from any device. This can make it easier to upload photos from your phone's camera or files from your computer. Click Submit and you will receive an email confirming that your request has been received. Our team of experts will then produce your benefit report, and normally within 24 hours you will receive an email to confirm that it's ready. Follow the link in the email to visit your account and download your tailored benefit report, which can be used to help sell your property. The Solar Benefit Report will make your property stand out on the market, show potential financial benefits, and help address any concerns regarding the solar system. This report will assist you in making a quick sale at the best property valuation. Please visit us at www.greenassist.co.uk or give us a call to speak with one of our experts and discuss how we might be able to assist you today.